Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to increase text size on your Reddit account easy and quickly. So first enter Reddit, click on your profile icon and then go to the settings, and then here we have this increase text size. So as you see here, you can turn this on, override device settings, so you can turn this on and increase your text size. So that's it. That's how to increase your text size on Reddit easy and quickly, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.